Today, we would be understanding the alphabets and their pronunciations in German language. Let's begin with the first alphabet A, pronounced as A. B is B. C is C. D is D. E is A. F is F. G is G. H is H. I is E. J is yacht. K is K. L is L. M is M. N is N. O is O. P is P. Q is Q. R is R. S is S. T is T. U is U. V is V. W is W. X is X. Y is Y. Z is Z. This was the first basic lesson of understanding the alphabets and their pronunciations in German language.